anybody understand what a binary trigger is?
No. Get the fuck away from my spawn, bitch!
He's going to be bursting in similar fashion, so you're not going to get more than 3 to 4 BBs on him. Maybe.
We're in front of you, hold on.
Somewhere right there.
Where at?
No, he's standing there. He's okay, we're good.
Oh, I missed. Fuck!
Is it gonna blow up?
Nope, didn't blow up. All right, that's game. Two times in a row, didn't blow up. Woo! Right in my hand. No, I won't bleed. Fuck. I'm good. Gotta shake it off. The fucking grenade didn't blow up again. I picked it up. Boom. In my hand. Fuck.
Oh, you'll be alright. You don't need a hand to survive. This guy over here.
Get the fuck away from my spawn, bitch! No, I'm making him hide behind cover while I move up.
Oh.
Fucker's just watching our spawn.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not respawning until he goes away.
I got you.
I'd push on the first piece of wood right there. What the fuck? I'm right there. I'm gonna get domed because of that. Keep before their side. Move quick.
Come here. Come with me.
Where are we going?
Hold on. Oh, he's gonna peek it. Peek it. Peek it. Come on, peek it again. Oh, I'm out. Oh, fuck, I'm out. Hold up. Shit, he just peeked too. We're good. I'm just testing it.
Oh, there's one in the middle. One in the middle. One in the middle.
I know. Hey, one left side.
He's in the car hidden right in
I know,
front
I
of
know, I know. I got one. Yeah. RV door?
There's one in there. Last there's one in there. At least there was one in there. He's right there. Oh, he's right there. Or is that friendly? Oh, that is friendly. I'm gonna push up.
Go ahead, I got you covered.
Did you get shot in the face yet?
Yeah, Connor, you did.
Check, Ethan.
What's up, man?
Oh, good. Get low, everybody. I'm done.
Oh, fucker! You're good. You're good. Come here on the neck. What was that noise?
I don't know, it scared me. That's you.
That's me?
I think so. Yeah, that's your gas tank.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah. That's your reg.
Want to twist it out a little bit?
It's shooting out the side.
You just want to twist it till loosen it up a little bit? It's not gonna blow up or nothing.
I have no grip on it.
Nope, other way. Hey, Bryler.
What?
Why is mine doing this?
It's farting.
It's my regulator.
First this maybe? I have like no purchase on that, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Ah, I don't know what's going on.
Oh, you're like,
Am I empty? Boom! Don't worry, What the fuck is that?
your regulator must have.
Oh, ring
Your
box?
shit's like going over pressure.
Is it?
Yes.
Where you at? Oh, I see you. Hey, I got like 4 guys to my left right here. I'm gonna get them. Watch this. I just got like 3 people. I just killed him. I think it's good. Come over left with me if you can. You are right, there's someone behind that pile. Yeah, I'm gonna go up on him. Give me 2 seconds, I'll rush up. Hey, there's a guy also to the left a little bit of him. Yep, there's also a guy in the left, back behind him, back left. I got the fuck out of that guy. I got the other guy too, the guy that's the team captain. Oh, you got him? I got him. I got the guy way back there too. Hey, I get killed like fucking 10 people. Your brother's talking to me. We're gonna come up behind. I got Randall, another guy with me. Come on, follow me, guys. I'm far left. I gotta pin the fuck down. I still got him held down pretty good over here. Come down middle if you can. Yeah, come down the left. I got him fucking pinned down real good over here. Oh, you're good. Come on, I dropped my fucking mag again. I see him. Got him. I'm gonna keep going up right. Oh yeah, they're definitely in that building. I got him pinned down. I got there's 3 people pinned down in that building. Oh, they're scared right now. They're in that building ducking down. Yeah, that's the only thing we're worried about is that building I'm looking at. Let me clear him down again. I got one. Oh, we got right so good right now. Oh, we got the right flank so fucking good right now. Bang, 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 bang. You're all I did. I'm not gonna shoot you. Hey, I got you before, man. Call that hit before. You didn't shoot shit. All right, you're gonna shoot from spawn? Okay.
You need to get that shield.
I know. Hey, I got him.
Nice, nice.
Here, come up with me. Wow.
You need to get a mag, Carl?
What?
You need to get a mag, Carl?
What kind of mag? M4?
I got one. Thank you. That's it. Thank you.
Yep. Hold on. Got him. We gotta get up to that shield right now.
Yeah, that fucking shield, bro.
Let's go, come on. You wanna call the hit? Let's go, let's go.
I think it was ricochet, but I'm
You shoot me? Yeah. Damn, man.
I'm sorry.
You alright?
I'll tell you later.
Last push! One life! You get hit, you're dead!
Bang, bang.
Oh, hi.
Oh. We got one left. We're out now, brother. It was one more. Brother. Bang, bang.
Oh, hi. The fuck is my teammate?
He's in there. Put your arm out, man. I don't want you to hit. Wow. Good. You're good, man. Good. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're good now. Where's your back?
Where?
Where's your back? Oh, I got hit.
Where from?
Couldn't tell you. I'm dead.
Like 6 1.
If you go to your VFC, dude, let me use that drum. I'm fucking tired of this bullshit. Hey, call that hit. Come on, dude. Come the fuck on. Call that fucking hit. Jeez, I fucking pelted with my entire fucking mag. Come on. Let's take it slow. I know. Come on. Come on, come here. Come here. Let's go up these stairs if we can. You're good over here. I lied. Fucking Christ, man. Wow. I love how we just camped. That was close, though.